How's it going, guys? Today's gonna be a pretty cool video because I'm gonna be doing the rear end on the white Z. It's been a while since I even touched it. Here's the old rusty, or just really dirty, not rusty, but old rusty bottom end. And I'm soon gonna swap it out with coilovers, or in these clips, you can see how I have crazy body roll on the car. Cause these shocks are the stock ones, the stock electronic ones, and they're pretty much blown. Every time I drive, all I hear is just rattling in the bag, like, it's pretty annoying now. Like, all I get is just body roll, like it's dangerous. I would take it to the back roads just to check it out. Sometimes the electronic shocks would work, sometimes they wouldn't. So like I kind of just gave up on like trying to get it to work. I'm gonna remove all that. But overall, this is gonna be an exciting series. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I've just been like kind of like collecting the parts little by little. I just don't want to do like, oh, Tim do Apex and then tomorrow do the coils or whatever, you know. Like I want to put everything all in together, so like I don't have to like get back into it and remove parts again. I just want to do it all in one shot, you know. But I'm gonna get started by draining out all the fluids. Here we go. There it is. Looks a little bit too old and outdated. I always highly recommend to PV blast the shock bolts right away. From my experiences, if you don't do it, they will snap off, and finding hardware for it is kind of, you know, kind of difficult. Oof. But it looks okay. That looks flaky. And I drifted. It's open diff, so I drifted it open diff. So I'll check how much metal that thing has. So this is my first time ever seeing the electronic shocks, how they work. And they kind of, looks like it kind of adjusts the dampening through this little electric motor. I'm gonna start removing them, but we just get one of these that kind of adjusts from here. You can just kind of like come from the back. Be careful with this so you don't hit your wrist on it. Come through back here. Let's see if you can see. Get like through this one here, and the little one. Oh, it's kind of hard to show. Oh, another one right here. That's about it. And this is why you get the flexible one, because you can like flex it and get the back bolt to the top. All right, so I got the shock and spring out of this side. Looks good. Let me just show you how worn out that shock was. It literally has like, get under here. Oh, drive shaft. That was pretty easy. It was just 214s. Used a lot of heat and some PV blast before I did anything, so you don't strip them out. They come out pretty good. You're gonna need one of these 14s that curve, so you could get up in here like to the back of it, like that, and then you just push it towards the passenger side this way, and they just break off. You really don't need to hold them with this. After they start getting really loose, then yeah. But besides that, they come out pretty good. No strip, no nothing. I like to show this method so much because it's so effective. Torch it up. My lock. Yeah, boy. This. There. Let me prop you guys up. You get the 17 mil. Cool. Get this bitch right here. Oh shit, wrong way. Fuck. Maybe not all the way, because you still got to get the top. So once you do that, get the jack, put it here so you don't have that much touch in the bottom and this doesn't shoot down. But I don't care. I'm about to show you what that looks like. You want to twist the shock so you can get it out. Stupid bolt out. Ta-da! Alright. This is sketch as fuck, but so you can circle there. So you get that on there. If you get this or a pry bar. You gotta be careful, man, because this is gonna fucking shoot out. And then grab the joint and just, oh shit. Fuck. Alright, cool, it didn't shoot out. The other side does shoot out. Fuck, did it hit the car? Darn it, hit the car. Fuck. There's a whack ass, old ass suspension, man. Look at that shit. Look, I could just drop in it, compresses on its own. You see that shit? I'm gonna drop my fuel tank to check it out to see if it's rusted or not, because I do want to do the wall, bro. And then I'm gonna cut a hole. I'm gonna cut it out a little bit wider so I could get access to a fuel pump, or easy access to a fuel pump if it ever goes out on me. Hopefully it works out. Yeah, I think I'll just start off by moving these. Yeah, I'll just remove these. Remove this nut right here from the e-brake cable. Move this guy. Next day, all fluid will get drained out. Let the mounting bolts soak and everything. So I'm gonna start by removing the trans mount. Get the exhaust off. I gotta cut it because it looks they welded the OEM one onto this pipe. So I mean, as you can see, since it was so bouncy, I kept scraping it. I think I have a gas a leak in here. Sweet, stock looking engine bay. Still holding up pretty good. So I haven't had issues. I do gotta clean up the MAF. It's starting to act up a little weird. Unless the ECU starting to catch on, that's not, you know, it don't got the OEM bullshit on it anymore. But pretty clean engine base too. This thing though, jeez, still looking pretty good. All right, so now I got the 214s out right here for the bracket, and this is a 17 mil. I already loosened this up. Now I just gotta do the other side, and then I'll be able to drop it now. Disconnected the mount, as you guys can see right there, the trans mount. I mean the diff mount, my bad. So I'm going to the other side, clean up the threads. It's already hot. I already heated them up, and they already like soaked with people last night, so they came out pretty easy. So I'm gonna loosen this one up, these right here. I'm loosen these 214s, or back them out all the way, and then start backing out this 17. Do it little by little. Start lowering the jack, and then it should just fall. So when you guys do heat these bolts up, just be aware about carpet being behind here. It could catch on fire. So just be kind of gentle on it. Don't put too much heat on it. Be kind of far away from it so the carpet doesn't catch on fire. All right, there it goes. Just gotta be kind of careful with it. I'm gonna put it up right here, guys. So forgot the exhaust is attached to it. Everything is connected now. Yeah, I completely forgot about this. There you go. There's that side. I guess it was just these weren't lined up right here. Cool, now I gotta pull it out. Here's the whole subframe. All right, cool. Now I'm gonna start assembling it, because I think on the Apex one you have to reuse these right here, these bottom ones, and that's about it. There's those two, obviously different axles. Clean everything up, remove these, get to removing, basically parting out everything, because I'm gonna get new calipers, new pads and rotors. I think if not, I'll just reuse them. They're in pretty good condition, that's for sure. Oh, and the hubs, gotta pull out the hubs and everything. So a little trick I like to do to get these guys out, I usually apply a fuck ton of heat. I like to do it 2x2 or 2 at a time. Apply a lot of heat, you just turn it over, and then I already heated the other one, and you just kind of just put it on the thread, and then between it, just let it soak for a couple minutes, and then just get back at it with the heat gun. Use this, the 14, get it stuck right behind here, and then use one of these special guys. If you got one of these, you could get them at like your local auto parts. These are really useful. And then just crank it down. Well, you have to just push down, and then since this is already in the back supporting it, it just like breaks it off free, and it's just really easy. I just got the old diff mount out. That was 219s. And PB Blaster heat works perfect. It came out pretty smooth. All right, now I gotta do the diff, the 4 bolts, and I'm gonna be using a 17 for the bottom frame. I could just bend this and it'll just be a good support. That's why I like these. So change of plans. I kind of just use a long breaker bar and use the floor, jack it up a little bit higher, and use the floor to kind of hold it, and it just literally just came off easy. See how it just holds it down? So I guess a new way. The other one kind of didn't work. The diff is out. Pull it straight up. Take off the e-brake cables, brake hard lines, and the sway bar, and then just junk it. I already got new sway bar links and all that. I haven't actually unboxed the Apex rear end, so it's gonna be my first time unboxing it. But I already got a bushing kit just in case it doesn't come with bushings. I'm not really sure. I'm assuming it would, so we're about to see. Also gotta take out the wheel hubs. Forgot about that. Man, all done in O'Reilly. So there, dude. You want to be part of the video too? Got you. So basically, this is all you guys get with the Apex rear end kit. You guys get new hardware. So excuse me, you basically get new bolts, washers, and then I'm assuming these are the dust boots for the bolts, or for these guys right here. These dog leave me alone. And then I think these are for the back shocks. I think so. I'll end up figuring it out. But basically, this is the unboxing video. I kind of showed you guys a little bit how to drop it. It's pretty simple. Only defects this thing really came with is like some parts aren't painted, but it's obviously from the hooks they hook it up to, so they couldn't get these. But it's no biggie. Just go get you some Rust-Oleum, spray it down. I did that with some of these. These also had some defects like that, but it doesn't really bother. It's just pretty simple. Or just get any rattle can, just paint it black. Nobody's gonna see it regardless. I'm gonna have to end up figuring out how to mount it. I see a lot of people, or from the Apex website, I see people like mounting it up here. I don't know, I still gotta do my research because this is my first ever like adjustable suspension. So hopefully I get the alignment pretty good, or I might just get it towed to an alignment shop, see what's up with it. But thanks for watching the video. If you guys got any like concerns or anything, just let me know. Like, it's pretty easy to contact me like always. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.